Greetings, I'm Miss Kingsley, and this video is for third grade, going over Mountain Math, Set 8, problems 10 through 12. And as always, the idea is that you do these problems first before you watch me do them. But here we go, let's get started. Okay, number 10, what fraction is shaded? So this is our shaded part, and we would count how many equal parts in one whole. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our denominator, and the shaded part is our numerator. So it is 1/4 is our answer. Okay, let's go on to number 11. Number 11 shows us two fractions, and it says, write the fractions, circle the correct sign. A fraction on our left has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts in the whole, and 2 are shaded, so this fraction is 2/4. The fraction on the right has 2 equal parts in one whole, and the fraction shaded is 1. The amount of those 2 parts shaded is 1. So if you can see, if this was cake or a brownie or a candy bar, something like that, the person on the left got the same amount as the person on the right. It was just divided differently. So maybe you could see it if I put that in, and you would see now they look identical. So 2/4 is equal to 1/2 is the correct answer there. Okay, let's go on to number 12. Number 12 is a little tricky. That's our elapsed time question, which is challenging each set. And here we go. Jack's party started at 1:30. It lasted 2 hours. What time was the party over? So time moves forward, and we need to figure out if it started at 1:30, when did it end? And they tell us label and show your work using the number line. So labeling the number line takes some time, so I do that off video. So here's my labeled number line. And if you want to see how it goes here, I start at 1:30, and I'm moving, each interval is 10 minutes. So the tricky part is knowing that after 1:50 it becomes 2 o'clock, because we never have 60 in the minute hand there. So then it's 2:10, 2:20, 30, 40, 50, and then it's 3 o'clock, and then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 4 o'clock. Okay, so how do we use this to count forward 2 hours? We're going to count by tens, and we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Hopefully we know that by now. If not, you just got smarter and learned it. So 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So we're going to count up till 60 to get one of our 2 hours, and then we're going to do it again. And we're going to use hops. So this looks like this. 10, 20, you can count out loud with me, 30, 40, 50, 60. We're going to stop here. Okay, we started at 1:30, right now it's at 2:30, and this is 1 hour. Okay, we need another hour, so we're going to count off another 60. 10, say it out loud with me, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And we're going to stop here, and we end at, that time is 3:30. So this is also 1 hour, and that's how we moved forward 2 hours. Now let me show you that on my little clock, because sometimes that helps. So our starting time was 1:30. So let's just get to 1 o'clock. There we go. Okay, and now we need 1:30. So 1 o'clock is when the hour hand, which is the shorter hand, is on the hour, and the minute hand is straight up. As we go forward to 1:30, which is down here, notice our hour hand moves a little bit. That's okay. It's past 1, but it's not yet 2. Now to move forward an hour on a traditional clock, we do 1 full rotation of our minute hand, and that's 60 minutes. So I'm going to go from here right back to here, going clockwise. Ready? 1. Okay, that's 1 hour later. And now we're going to do it again, because we need to go 2 hours, and we're going to do 1 full rotation and 2 hours. And now we see that the time is 3, that's my hour hand, 30, just as we said on our paper. Okay, So that is everything for today on this set of problems. I hope that was helpful, and I will see you next time.